Hi everybody, I'm Lady Red. This is Lady Red's Tech Reviews. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Add It Up to save money on your Cricket wireless service. Yes, it really does work. So stay here, drop a like if you enjoy the content, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell and get all the notifications to the new videos. Okay, so a few months ago, Cricket launched what they call Add It Up. And it's available now through the Play Store. Is not available as of right now through the App Store for iPhone use. Sorry, iPhoners, you can't do this. But if you have an Android phone, you can definitely go to the Play Store and download it. And it may also be pre-downloaded into your Cricket branded device. So definitely check that out. And what you'll do, you'll go in and sign up. And we're going to take a look at it right now. What this will do is add some credit to your bill. And you can get a little or a lot. This is no joke. I have one customer, never pays more than $35 for her 2 lines. So let's take a look at that. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to open up Add It Up. Now, as you can see right here, I do have some points accumulated. And this is how I got those points. I went through some offers. And some of these are harder to get than others. Okay, so I still have some in progress. And what you have here, you'll get a list of stuff. You know, some of them not to bother with are the ones that you just don't like. One of them I found most frustrating was this McDonald's one. Do a simple registration. It is not a simple registration. I am here to tell you that just ignore that one. Because I did report that because it wouldn't give me my points. Now, what I have done, I downloaded the Ibotta app. And now you can see here, I completed that for 32,000 points. And that was a totally easy one. You download it and you upload one receipt and then you get the 32,000 points. What I'm also working on, I didn't download Words with Friends too. I don't know why that's there. Best Friends. This is actually not that bad of a game. This casino game here makes me insane, and it's going to find its way out of my phone because you have to get to a certain level. If you download a game, you have to get to a certain level in order to do that. Another way that you can get some points is surveys. You don't get as many points as advertised, unfortunately. What you do get is usually like 120, 130 of them at a time. And see, this will say 924 points. You really won't get that many. The most I've gotten was like maybe 300 off of a 1,000-point survey. So that's just another way, and it is what a survey is. Videos, you get 25 points per video, and I think you can watch like 5 or 6 of them. So what I normally do is I'll turn that on, and I'll just set my phone down and go do whatever I'm doing, turn the volume down. Ads, same thing for the ads. Lock screen ads. Make me crazy so I can only do them for a little while. And what you will see is something like this. This is going to be lock screen. You get 10 points for locking, 10 points for unlocking your screen. And so now what I'm going to do, you can see I've got 36,922 points. We're going to redeem those. And what I get for it is going to be $10 off of my bill. Or you can go down here and do an Amazon offer. I can get a $5 Amazon. I'd rather have money off my bill. Okay, so now we're going to click on that and click redeem. And I've got 5,000 left over, and I can get $1 off with that. So we're just going to hang on to those for next month. Okay, now what we're going to do is check the Cricket app. And I do want you to note the time right up here and the date. It did take overnight, and at about 9 o'clock this morning, I got an alert telling me that the credit had hit my account. So now we're going to take a look. And there it is, $45 due. And there is my due date. My regular bill is $60. I did get a $5 auto pay discount. And then this is after that and the $10 credit that I got from using Add It Up. So there you have it. You do get credit, and it is applied to your account. So it's very useful for many people. Okay, so there you go. That's how you do it. That's how you do Add It Up. It really does work. It's not a scam. It doesn't pay out in some situations as high as it says it may, but in most of them it does with the offers. Like you do the games, I'm still doing a couple of the games. I got to get to a certain level in order for the credit to apply, but it did with the Ibotta app, so that's the one I recommend trying first. It's up to your discretion, whatever it is you like to do with your phone, whatever kind of games you like to play, or you could just do the surveys. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy your Add It Up and have a wonderful day. Don't forget, like the video, subscribe, ring the bell, get the notifications for all the new videos. See you in the next one.